tonight, we were working on initially our check weave, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. We worked on a little bit flashier entry, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. And then we worked on a flashy exit as well. So 1 and 2, 3 and 4. I'll do it without the flashy entry. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. And if we put the flashy entry on, it goes 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. Thank you guys very much. Have a great weekend, and I'll see you Sunday for West Coast Swing. Remember, it's an hour earlier, 6 o'clock. Doors open. Lessons are 6:30 to 7:30. Open dancing after that. Lots of West Coast Swing. Lots of fun. Robert, it's all yours.